Everybody is talking about the Dangote Refinery IPO. Some people believe this could create the next generation of millionaires. Others believe investors rushing in immediately could be making a huge mistake. And today we are going to answer the question everybody wants to know. Is the Dangote Refinery IPO a must buy, or should investors wait? Because while the opportunities are massive, there are also many risks people are ignoring. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Aliko Dangote has confirmed plans to list parts of the Dangote Refinery on the Nigerian exchange. Reports suggest that up to 10% of the company may be sold to the public, potentially making it one of Africa's largest IPOs. Recent reports indicate the company is targeting a valuation between roughly $39 billion to $50 billion. The listing is expected later in 2026, although investors should rely only on official announcements because the refinery has previously warned against unofficial IPO information, and naturally, many Nigerians are asking, should I buy? Now, most persons may be asking, why is everybody excited and talking about it? Now, look at the reasons. Number one, this is Africa's largest refinery. The refinery processes about 650 barrels per day and recently exceeded 700 barrels during the performance test. That is enormous. Now, the next reason is huge demand for fuel. Nigeria consumes massive quantities of petrol, diesel, and aviation fuel for decades. The country imported refined products. Dangote Refinery is changing that story. And the next reason is export potential. The refinery is already exporting products to several countries and has become an important player in the global market fuel, meaning revenue is not only coming from Nigerian consumers. Now, the next reason is expansion plans. Dangote aims to eventually increase capacity to around 1.4 million barrels per day, and if successful, earnings could become significantly larger in the future. So these are some of the reasons why investors are excited about the Dangote Refinery IPO. Most persons only tell you about the good news. Let's discuss the bad news as well. Number one is valuation. At 39 to 50 billion, investors must ask, am I buying a great company at too expensive a price? Even amazing companies can become poor investments if purchased at inflated prices. Now, the next reason is oil prices. The profitability of refiners can fluctuate based on crude oil prices and refining margins. This is not a business with guaranteed profits. Now, the next one is competition and regulation. The refinery is currently involved in legal disputes concerning fuel imports and competition. Government policies can affect profitability. The next one is execution risks. Expansion sounds exciting, but expansion also costs money, and large projects don't always go according to plan. So, should you buy on day one? Here is where many investors make mistakes. When a giant company comes to the market, emotions take over. Everyone wants to buy. Prices can become irrational. Many experienced investors prefer waiting until the excitement dies down and more financial information becomes available. Community discussions among investors frequently mention this strategy. Remember, fear of missing out destroys wealth. Patience creates wealth. Trust me. Would I ignore the Dangote Refinery IPO? Absolutely not. This is one of the most important companies in Africa. But would I blindly throw all my money into it on day one? No. Personally, I would study the valuation, examine the financial statements, avoid emotional buying. This is very, very important. Build my position gradually, because investing is not about excitement. It's about buying wonderful businesses at reasonable prices. So here is the big question. When Dangote Refinery finally lists, will you buy immediately or will you wait on the sidelines while others seize the opportunity? Please go ahead and comment below, buy or wait. And if you enjoy videos about Nigerian stocks, dividend and wealth building, don't forget to subscribe, because the next few years may create some of the biggest opportunities Nigeria has ever seen. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Don't forget to subscribe, because money loves knowledge. And trust me, knowledge creates wealth. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.